Welcome to my channel. These are my co-stars, my little puppies here. With me, Max, Maverick, Mimi, and of course me. And it was so cold today that my husband, he made me a fire. It's cold in Arizona. It's 70 out. Oh my goodness, it's so cold. So if you go out, make sure you take a jacket and join me today. Come this way. Come on, puppies. We're going to do cooking. We're gonna cook. Yes, if you can see, I have all my ingredients here. I'll also post a picture. And of course, you need number one, your cooking shoes. So we'll get started in just a second. Okay, welcome to my channel again. I'm so glad you're here. Now we're gonna get started. I have lost the voice because I'm so sorry. It's so hard to talk in it for a long time, but if you want, every now and then it might come back, okay? But first off, we have all the ingredients that we need. So we're gonna take first our toasted oats, which of course you do the word search first, like me. But I mean, that's optional. You don't, that's not really in the recipe. So you do what you want. I do what I want, obviously, all the time. Okay, here we go. 1 cup. Okay. And the most important thing, besides the stilettos, because hopefully, ladies, you still have those on, but is opening our wax paper and getting it all set up. I have to be delicate with it, you know, kind of like our men. Just kidding, I'm not that delicate. Oh, it won't open. Fuck it, take it out. Okay. Woo. Voila. Voila. Again, okay. We all love a good voila. Voila, voila. Oh, look at that. Perfecto. Oh, this is my little baby Maverico. Let me give you a kiss before I mix. I love you. Oh, this is Maverico. He loves the camera. I'm just kidding. He's really shy. I gotta work on that. Oh, you like your mom. Say hello. I'm Maverick Burgess. You can follow me on Instagram. My brother has one too, Max Burgess. Follow us. We love friends. Okay, so first off, my husband loves almond bark. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot. I can't start. Oh my gosh, I have to wear my ponchos. Isn't it so cute? Look at this, cameraman. Look at this. Oh, so cute. I got up ponchos on our cruise when we went to Mexico. And I work there now. Well, when I visit, I work there. And so now I work here in Arizona. Don't you love it? So cute. Okay, now we're ready. Back to almond bark, because my husband loves almond bark on it, which I have to say, you could just make Sweet Chex mix, but the almond bark makes all the difference. And you have to get a certain kind. This is the best, okay? It's the almond bark, great value from Walmart. Shout out Walmart. Hit me up if you want to like sponsor me. It's all good. Okay, but I'm telling you, we've tried others from all over. I even have friends that say the same thing. You have to have the one from Walmart. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna open this. I don't know why they always make them so hard to open. It's always Candice proof, everything. Okay, we got it. So we're gonna take it. We're just gonna break it. Oh, very simply. But first off, too, I forgot, ladies. I must take off my wedding ring. Oh my goodness. If I can get it off here. He made it very tight, obviously, so it wouldn't come off. So Okay, let's keep that safe. We'll let you shine over here. Love you. Okay, now back. Oh, we need one more thing. One more. Here we go. All right, we got it. So now we're gonna put it in here. And I am one of those people that you have to always cover it up so we do not make a mess. Because a hot mess is good, but not a kitchen mess. Voila! We're cooking. It's getting hot in here. Okay, in the meantime, we will throw that away. Voila! Hi, baby! Are you guys helping me? Okay. And we'll get everything else ready. I always like to keep some ready just because if I need to mix in more, because sometimes you don't have quite enough. So like I said, we're gonna take my 1 cup. My puppies will be happy. They love it when I cook messy. Right guys, you love it? They're like, no, we like it when the almond bark's on it, Mom. Sweet. So we're gonna do another one. Now we have our rice squares that we're putting in 1 cup. You know, you can adjust these to however much you like to have them at. But I start with 1 cup of each corn squares. I get everything at Walmart. It's cheap, it's easy. It's just as good, actually the best. So just go there, get it all there. Okay. And then we love M&Ms. Oops, you can see, I already broke into them earlier. I'm doing pink, red, and a light pink for Valentine's, even though it just passed, but I'm still in the love spirit, so that's why we're doing Valentine's. So now let's get our almond bark. It might just need a few more seconds. So I did a minute, now I'm doing another 30 seconds. Still got this. Last time I did pretzels, they were okay in it. So I'm only gonna add a couple this time, like a handful. Not gonna do like a cup. And we have peanuts that we have here that we like to add just for a little crunch. And I was telling my husband last night, ooh, these are fresh. Huh. Just like I like everything. But I was telling my husband last night that we should put some cashews, because I freaking love cashews. So today, I think I'm gonna do that. And we're gonna get my favorite cashews that I always eat. And we're just gonna put some in there too. You can break them, you can do whatever you want, but I mean, I might break the big ones, but for the most part, I'm just gonna throw them in. Voila, like that, with a little bit of love. My puppies are still wondering if I'm cooking anything for them. It's close. I'm gonna do about 10 more seconds. So it's gonna depend on your microwave. Mine says 10. We're almost there. 2, 1, 3. All right, I think we're almost ready. Let me check it. Oh yeah, it's perfect. See, you want it kind of like a whipped yumminess. Yes, not only good for Chex Mix, but you gotta wait till it cools down. Okay, and then I just kind of start layering it. Just coating it back and forth, back and forth. And you know what? I was kind of silly. I probably could have put a little bit more wax paper out. But we'll start with this. And I just kind of put it all over to kind of help me give it a spread. Aw, my cameraman's so helpful. Sexy too. Don't tell my husband. Okay, look at this. Here we go. So I'm trying to get away. And then, this is why you take your wedding ring off. You gotta kind of start to get dirty. Right? You have to like hold it. And you gotta mix it. And if it starts to get away, you just bring it back. Oh my gosh. It's satisfying. It looks freaking delicious. Oh my gosh. Yes, that's exactly how you want the almond bark though. You don't want it too hard, and you don't want it where you can't move it either. And you have to work with it pretty fast, because if you don't, it does get sticky and it's harder to move around. So you gotta kind of just go for it right away, and everything cleans up. You know, none of it stays on your counters. My dogs love it when it falls. Just gotta watch the M&Ms. I love you. Okay, look at it. Doesn't it look delicious? Now, if you want to make more, same thing. You just kind of, wow. Oh my goodness, I might just have to kind of sneak one. Oh my gosh, yes, delicious. You're gonna love it. And then once it hardens, you just package it up. You give it to your friends. Great little gifts. Put them in cute little packages. Anything you want to do. I'm gonna go smother in this for a while. Thank you so much. Make sure to like, subscribe, and follow us on Burgess Builds. That's my husband's channel. He has, oh my gosh, you think I cook good? Look at his stuff. Even more scrumptious than this. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye. Hi, we're back. Good to see you all again. Oh my gosh, I need to stop eating this. Okay. I will. It's so good though. Okay. I didn't want to not tell you about what we're doing tonight because it's going to be so much fun. My husband and I love to do this. We got our big, fat, beautiful, fresh strawberries. So plump. And then we got our toothpicks for tonight. We're making chocolate covered strawberries. We got our chocolate flavored candy coating. Our chocolate almond bark, kind of like our almond bark that was white for our Chex Mix, but now we're doing chocolate. It's going to be delicious. Tune in tonight. Romantic night. I feel like it does. Hi. Woo! Hello, and welcome to my show. I'm Candice. These are my puppies, and today we're going to be cooking a trail mix that you are all going to love. It's so good. I forgot what it was called. I like these little circle things too. Good. I love your little Tostitos. And I guess usually my trash can's there, so that's strange. Voila! We still got a few seconds. So let's wait. So tell me about you. Go ahead, write in. Go ahead, like and subscribe. I would love to know all about you too, and if you've made this before and if you love it, and I love it. I take it in my car and nip it all in it everywhere. My family does, we all do, and I know my husband loves it. Oh, up next will be pumpkin bread. That's his favorite. And we have chili cheese dogs this week. We have so much coming for you that you're not going to want to miss, so you make sure you stay tuned. And you never know when the other Candice is going to come out, so make sure you keep watching. Talk to you soon. That had to be an ending.